We move about 18 million tons of raw materials throughout the Great Lakes. Iron ore, stone, coal, salt. Interlake's a 113-year-old company. We operate 10 ships on the Great Lakes. We're trying to make more efficient our last mile delivery. And our last mile is a complicated mile. We're talking about how to get from land out to a boat that's floating and not attached. We started talking about drone delivery. Could we utilize this in our supply chain and effectively move supplies to our ships via drone versus via boat that we normally do today? That led to us getting connected through Newlab and Michigan Office of Mobility to connect us to here and where we are today of actually testing the system out and actually seeing the first drone delivery on a U.S. ship in the United States. So a pretty exciting day.
So Skyports is an uncrewed airline. We operate a diverse fleet of drones. We navigate the regulations to actually execute on these flights, and we also provide the pilots that fly these drones. We've also done ship-to-shore deliveries in Singapore and Korea, and we've also done offshore deliveries in the North Sea.
I think drones are the best solution for this use case specifically due to the saving in time resource, the money spent in having the pilot boat come onshore from the ship. That pilot boat runs on fuel. If the ships have to stop, anchor up, start their engines back up, use a whole load of fuel, getting back up to speed again. And the idea is, if this all goes well, we're going to deliver to the ships without them stopping, which will be more efficient for the ships.
We're an old shipping company. We're a capital-intensive sort of industrial company. Newlab, they're always thinking about something different, the creativity, the concepts, and you're like, oh, that would be kind of cool to do that. And they actually were like, no, actually, we probably could figure that out.
We started to design these pilots based on a demand partner and a provider. Interlake is working on problems to deliver goods to and from their ships, and Skyports is working to start to break into the U.S. market. It was a perfect opportunity to bring these two together to design a POC around these operations.
In the future, we'd love to have the opportunity to work with other shipping and logistic leaders in the region. We see the technology bringing great advantages to the U.S., and it's so fantastic to see Michigan taking a leading step in this innovation, pretty much setting an example for other parts of the U.S. to follow.